Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can display sales notification on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure you have installed the pixel before creating the notification. Once you have installed it, start creating sales notification by clicking the add notification button. You will see different types of social proof notifications and widgets here. In this tutorial, we are going to create sales notification. In sales, we have two different variants, recent sales and sales count. In the first one, you can show recent sales data including buyer's name, location, product name, image, and order timestamp. While in the second one, you can display the total number of sales within a specific period of time. Choose whichever you want to display. We will go with the first one. Click on Save Designs and select the notification design of your choice. As you can see here, there are many design options available here. Each comes with its unique customization options. Select any of this and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. In name, you can write anything which is easy to remember. While in URL, you have to mention the website URL where you want to display the notification. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize. And you will be redirected to customization page. Here we have three sections. The first one is Design. Here, as you can see, we have Notification Template Gallery where you can change the notification design if required. Then we have Live Preview Screen where you can see how your notification will look like on your website. You can also check how your notification will look like in mobile phone and desktop screen. Using this switch, you can also change the theme. Further, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize notification text, language, icon, position, animation, borders, colors, and more. And if you would like to change notification language, you can change it under the text editor. Now, let's say that you want to redirect your users to desired page. Then you can make your notification clickable and add CTA buttons. In case you want to change notification delay and display time, then you can use data and timing settings. With these options, you can set notification timing like delay and display time, and also you can restrict the number of data you want to display to your visitors. The design section is all about making your notifications eye-catchy so you can grab your customer attention. Once you are done with it, click on Save button and apply all the changes. Now let's move to the display section by clicking the Continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display notification like all the pages or specific pages by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same notification on multiple websites, you just have to add website URLs here. You can choose whether you want to display notification to returning or new visitors and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies name, referrer, and more. Now, let's move to the third section and last, that is data source. Here you can choose which data you want to display into notification. Click on Add Integration and integrate the platform you use to sell your product. We have direct integrations with many website builders and payment gateways. To make it quick, we have already added our WooCommerce site here. You just have to activate it by clicking the checkbox. Once you have customized all the three sections, your notification is ready to go live. Simply click on Finish button and turn the notification on. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see here, the notification is live on your website. We have also created the sales count notification. You can create it using the same steps we used in creating the first one. Let's make the second one live and turn it on. The notification will start displaying on your website now. So that's how you create a sales notification. If you want to explore more advanced options, you can find the video links in description. If you still have any queries, connect with us on live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.